That's one. What's your helmet? Okay, that's two. Well, you said he did it. We got two installed. Holy cow.
No kidding. There's a huge sigh down here. Well done.
That's not the way it was supposed to be, but it worked. All right, nice job, Josh. I know you've been muscling through that. No, it's okay. I'm just trying to blink the sweat out of my eyes. Yeah.
At the 3-hour mark, the IROSA is now engaged and mounted on the mounting bracket on the modification kit on the starboard fore truss. A little elbow grease required, but nonetheless, IROSA is on its mounting bracket on the S4 truss.
A couple second breather here after struggling with that. That's more than cool.
Oh, the sun setting. I did too. Yeah, that sun setting is going to help. All right, my ret is off. We are saying we're installed because we've got two shaft captures. So the ret is off. The scoop is going to stay on for now, correct? Correct, Nick?
That's affirmative.
Okay. Tweety and Duke, we are installed and ready for the back-off maneuver.
Bobby, we are setting up for the IROSA back-off.